We are looking at what is the meaning of this word. Virgin is how to say it, but what does it mean? There are different definitions depending on the context. So what does virgin mean? A person who has never had sexual intercourse, or sometimes one who has never engaged in any sexual activity at all. Other definitions include, by extension from the first one, one who has never used or experienced a specified thing, a virgin. Several species of butterflies are called virgin as well. Synonyms include maiden, unicorn bait, Virgo intacta in Latin, and vestal. And now you know. More videos here on how to pronounce more words and their meaning, whose pronunciations aren't obvious and their meanings aren't clear. I'll see you there to learn more. Thanks for watching.